how to make these adorable little ornaments or decorations using recycled Christmas cards.
Let's see what's cooking, let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking, it's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. To make these, you're going to need a template. I found these templates on a website. You can go to that website. It'll be in the description box, and there you can print out your own. Basically, they come in small, medium, and large. I found the small ones are the best ones if you want to make like an ornament for a tree. You'll need some Christmas cards, of course. I like to use ones that have a similar color palette to them. So if you do all blues or all greens or all reds or red and green. And then you take the template that you printed out and cut out. It's going to go on top of the card, and then you're just going to draw around it. Now you'll notice that this shape has these little slits. These little slits that go, there's 5 of them. So when you cut your template out, make sure that you cut an extra large little space there in that slits, because when you use your pencil to go around and trace these, there has to be space for that pencil to go in to that little slot so that you have a mark. And I'll show you what I mean here. So when you go around and you're tracing, right here, see that little slit or that slot, whatever you want to call it? You want to have room for your pencil tip or your pen tip to go in there. So when you cut out your template, make sure you cut a little bit extra space there to allow a pen or a pencil to fit in there. And then you're going to cut them out. You need 12 of these for one decoration or one bowl. Now what I've done here is these have been cut out using the large template, and I just used cardstock for demonstration purposes here. So you basically are going to attach these by just putting the 2 slots together, and when you slip them together, you get this kind of a shape. You'll get these little sections of 3, I call them petals. They look like little petals. You get 3 of them. And you just go around and just slotting those 2 things together. And it's hard to describe and just easier to watch. And I'm going to show you this in regular time so that you can see the whole process if you want to make these. Now, full disclosure here, these take a little bit of practice to get the hang of them. So I recommend that you make one, and if you're successful, take it apart and do it again. And the more you make of these, the easier they get. The first couple were a challenge, and they were hard to do, but once I got the hang of it, they go together fairly quickly. And you're going to get a series of these little 3 petals all the way around the ball. And each one of these shapes it's going to have 5 attachments to it. And you just kind of go around attaching pieces until you get all of them attached. And it's going to make a ball shape. Now I'm showing the assembly of this in real time. It's not sped up, so that if you do want to make it, you can kind of see what the process is. If you don't want to watch this, just fast forward this to about 5 minutes and 45 seconds to get the final result. The last piece is the hardest one to get in. And then just go around adjusting the shapes a little bit, and you can see all those pretty little petals all the way around. And here is the small template. I'm not going to go through the whole process again. I'm just showing you how you just basically are going to attach them by just sliding one of the tabs into another tab. And I found it helpful every once in a while. Once I get a section done, for the small ones, I put a little bit of tape on the inside just to hold the piece together so they wouldn't fall apart when I first started making these. Once you're done assembling though, they are super durable and they don't fall apart at all. It's amazing. And there they are. I did a gold one. I had a bunch of similar cards, so I was able to make a gold and white one. And I added a little string, ornament string to these so you can hang them. And the large one, I think that if you decorated that, you could make like a Christmas kissing bowl to hang over your doorway if you wanted to with that one. That would be a good idea. So overall, this is a really fun craft to do. They are time consuming with all the tracing and cutting out and assembly, but the end result is really, really nice, and they're quite durable, so you'd probably have them for a long time. I have a huge playlist of all my recycled Christmas card crafts. So I'll put that playlist up on your screen, and I'll also put my Christmas ornaments playlist up there where I make Christmas ornaments, not all from recycled Christmas cards. I make some other different ones as well. So if you want to see those, go check it out by clicking on your screen or checking the description box below. And thank you so much for watching.